going on? Hey guys, what's going on? This is Snake Mahmood here, and I want to tell you guys a little bit more about what my YouTube channel is going to be about. I came across this website called SoloLearn, so it teaches you guys how to become developers, learn the basic concepts like data structures, for loops, while loops, basic syntax, print statements. And I come from a development background. I know Python. I mostly develop in Python for work. And I figured, I wanted to learn some C++. So I figured I'd maybe go over SoloLearn with you guys, go through some of the tutorials, and then break down how I would approach a problem, get some feedback, and really just go from there. So without further ado, let's get started. C++ is a general purpose language. A C++ program is a collection of commands or statements. Below is a simple program template using namespace, standard output, return 0. You will learn what each of these statements does in the upcoming lessons. So what this is saying is that in order to actually execute a program, you always have to have int main in order for the program to actually run. I would say int main, that's what they mentioned over there. And let's output hello world to the screen. To do that, we will add cout hello world line to our command main function. Try it for yourself. So cout, I think the arrow means this output is going from hello world and then we're outputting it. So awesome goes this. So this would print out this is awesome and hello world. Run. Man. Hello world, this is awesome, yeah. I think if we wanted to print it out in a new line, you'd have to do this. So that's symbolic of a new line. And then if it's to run that, then it'll print this is awesome in a new line. Remove this, and so they'll be on the same line. Yep, hello world, this is awesome. Save. Sure. cout is used to perform output on standard, which is usually the display screen. Cout is used as a combination with the insertion operator. Note that you can add multiple insertion operators after out. So, I mean, I think cout in other languages like Python would be like a print statement. You can use cout oftentimes to like debug and stuff like that. Drag and drop the options to output. So it'll be cout hello world to the screen. Yep. Nice. Use our code coach exercise below to practice. Code practice. Write a program to print cout. C++ is cool. Note that the sentence starts with a capital letter. Use cout in the insertion operator. Yeah, so I think I've already had this code written, but yeah, print C++. C++ is cool. Return 0. Remember to enclose. You run it. And then remember, at the end of every line, I think you need the semicolon. Otherwise, the code will break. Continue. Code coaches solved. Continue. Each instruction must end with a semicolon. Continue. Lesson completed. C++ offers various headers, each of which contain information needed for programs to write properly. We have already seen the standard I/O stream, input/output stream on the first header. So I think include is basically the way to import libraries. So like in Python, that would be an import statement, but here you're including the input/output stream library as a header. Is used as a standard or user-defined header file. The stream header defines a standard stream object. Hashtag include IO stream. Namespace is a declarative region that provides a scope to the identifiers, names of elements inside it in our code. The line using namespace std tells the compiler to use the standard namespace. Using namespace std includes features from the C++ library. Okay. So this is basically just telling the interpreter to use the standard library, or the compiler to use the standard library. Sorry. Which of the options is the name of the namespace that includes the C++ library? std. Sorry, because we've gone through a lot of this, I think it keeps skipping ahead. But I think that should end this lesson for today.